Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing very well. This is Sangeeta Mahavar, your English teacher, and today we are going to start a new chapter of English grammar, that is Chapter 10, The Apostrophe. But students, before starting this chapter, we will take a short introduction of apostrophe. So, the apostrophe used for showing who and what something belongs to. As example, John's car. Here, John's is noun and car is a thing. And the car belongs to John. The car belongs to John. So, students, now we will come to a textbook. Read this sentence. Manya is playing with a doll. Here, Manya. And Manya is playing with what thing? That is doll. So, Manya is a noun and this is a thing that is belongs to Manya. So, Manya. So, the apostrophe shows the position or the belonging to the noun. So, Manya, doll. We put apostrophe as in the noun to show that this doll belongs to Manya. Here, Manya's doll means the doll belonging to Manya. The elephant's trunk. The is very long. Here, elephant क्या है? Elephant का जो trunk है, it means that the trunk belongs to the elephant. So इसलिए हमने elephant के बाद में apostrophe s को use किया है to show that the किसके trunk की बात करें? We are talking about the trunk of the elephant. So the trunks belongs to elephant. Apostrophe s is used to show belonging. कुछ अगर कोई thing है, मान लो कि there is a Seema is a girl and there is a bag. So वह bag Seema का है. That means this bag belongs to Seema. That means we will say that is Seema's bag. Now students, we will come to some examples. So rewrite the expression using apostrophe s. So in this question we have to rewrite this question. The question is given and we have to write it by using what? Apostrophe s. For example, the doll belongs to Nisha. So this is a doll and it belongs to Nisha and Nisha is a noun. So we called it, हम लोग कहाँ पर apostrophe का use करेंगे? We use apostrophe in the noun. So Nisha and apostrophe s and then doll. So Nisha's doll. The tail of the dog. That means dog is a noun and tail. Thing क्या है? Tail. So this tail belongs to dog. So the dog and we use apostrophe. Then we use thing. That is the dog's tail. The house belonging to Ravi. So this is Ravi, which is a living thing, and this is a non-living thing, that is a thing. So this non-living things belongs to Ravi. So Ravi's house. The nest belonging to the bird. So bird is a living thing and this is a non-living thing. This things belongs to bird. So the bird's nest. The bird nest. हमने apostrophe we used after the noun. That is noun is the bird. Bird is a noun. Students, now 3, 4 and 5 you have to do by your own. Now my dear students, apostrophe s is also used to show that something is related to another. That there is something which relates to someone or other thing. The one example I have given here is Nilesh is Rahul's brother. So Nilesh is a Rahul's brother. But here Rahul is noun and जो brother है, so now apostrophe has been put with Rahul. So Rahul's brother shows that Rahul और Nilesh का क्या है? दोनों एक दूसरे से relate है. That means Rahul's relate to Nilesh. and Nilesh is the brother of the Rahul, so we called it Rahul's brother. Next, rewrite these expression using apostrophe s. अब हमें क्या करना है कि हमें जो एक्सप्रेशंस जो दिए गए हैं नीचे जो पॉइंट्स उनको रीराइट करना है by using apostrophe s. So first example is sister of Meena. Meena is a noun. So after noun we use apostrophe s. So this is a noun and we put apostrophe s and this is a sister. So sister किसकी थी वो? Meena's की. So that's why we are telling that Meena's sister. Because जो apostrophe s होता है वो क्या शो करता है कि जो सिस्टर है वो किसको बिलोंग करती है, किससे रिलेट करती है? मीना से रिलेट करती है. Now the next is the movie in which Ranveer has acted. So Ranveer is a actor and उसकी क्या है? मूवी है. सो मूवी किससे रिलेट कर रही है? रणवीर से. तो दैट्स व्हाई ये जो रणवीर है उसके बाद में we used apostrophe s. So we say Ranveer's movies. Student, now come to first one. The school in which Varun study. So school किसका है? वरुण का. स्कूल किससे रिलेट कर रहा है? वरुण से. So after Varun we use apostrophe. So Varun's school. The office in which Jyoti work. So ऑफिस किसका है? ज्योति का. ज्योति कहाँ वर्क कर रही है? She is working in the office. So office belongs to Jyoti. So after Jyoti we use apostrophe s. So we tell Jyoti's office. Student, now 3, 4 and 5 you have to do by your. So students, when noun talks about more than one thing, when a noun which talks about more than one thing, एक thing से ज़्यादा things की बात करेगा, then they usually ends in s. That means they ends with s. Last word is s. We all know that simply boy is a singular. Singular मतलब एक. And boys, boys, it is a plural. That means बहुत सारे boys. In such cases we only add apostrophe. So जहाँ पर plural words होते that means boys, boys, that means बहुत सारे boys. After that we only use this sign of apostrophe for showing the position of belonging. Example, the tails of the dogs. So dogs means बहुत सारे dogs की बात हो रही है. So the dogs ऐसे ही लिखा, then we put this apostrophe sign and then tails. Another one is the books belonging to the students. That means a lot of students. So the students के बाद में we use apostrophe, then we write books. So this book belongs to the student. That is the noun. And noun is in the form of plural. We use only apostrophe sign, not s, when the noun is plural. Rewrite these expressions using the sign, that is apostrophe sign. So the dress belonging to the girls. Girls means a lot of girls. Then after this we put a sign of apostrophe. We don't use after this as, because as is already there. So a lot of girls. So this dresses belongs to girls. बहुत सारी girls की ये क्या है? dresses है. The shoes belonging to the ladies मतलब a lot of women बहुत सारी होगी तो we call them ladies. So the ladies, these are the ladies and these shoes belongs to ladies. Students, now 3rd, 4th and 5th you have to do by your own. Rewrite this sentence using apostrophe or apostrophe s. See words printed in bold. The bag carried by Rahul. So bag is carried by Rahul. Here Rahul is a noun, but after Rahul is a singular person. That means a single person. So we use this apostrophe S after Rahul. So Rahul's bag is very heavy. The office of my father. Father is a singular, father is a one person, is in Delhi. ठीक है, father is a one person and हम लोग किसकी बात करें, father के office की. So office belongs to father. So my father. Father ऐसे आएगा, then we use apostrophe S because it is a singular one. Office is in Delhi. The hostel of the boys is closed for Diwali. The boys hostel. Boys hostel क्यों यूज किया हम लोगों ने? We only put the sign of apostrophe. We don't use after this as because boys is already plural word, and after plural word we only use the apostrophe sign. We don't use apostrophe with as. Student, now 4 and 5th you have to do by your own. Students, this part of apostrophe S, the apostrophe chapter, is completed. So students, if there is any query or doubt, you can ask to me.